Hey, what's up, y'all? We doing sweet potatoes today. We doing them on the grill too, y'all. Hey, these been pre-boiled, so we just gonna cut them up in wedges and go ahead and peel that skin off, y'all. And once we do all that, we gonna go ahead and get them on that grill. And hey, once we get them all on the grill, we gonna go and hit them with some olive oil. And of course, we gotta rain on them. Gotta hit them with that salt and that pepper, y'all. And hey, don't forget, hit your boy that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, once we get good grill marks on our sweet potatoes, we gonna go ahead and give them a flip. And look how good they look, y'all. So we can go ahead and get these off this grill. And hey, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.